Today, we start with one of the branching statement, that is switch case statement. As you know, if else, else if, nested if else ladder, etc. Another branching statement is switch statement. If statement is said to be a simple branching statement or a single way branching statement, whereas switch case statement is nothing but multi-way branching statement. Generally, switch case statement may be used in many projects also. What is switch case statement? What are the keywords? In the case of switch case statement, switch or here the condition or expression that should be opened and closed. And every component can be represented by number of cases, case 1, case 2, etc. The ultimate, if all these cases are not executed, then we go for default. If you have multiple number of conditions, multiple number of values, if you want to execute a particular component, that is possible through a component, what you call switch case. Listen, I want to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus operations by using switch case statement. Listen. First, we have to declare the variables integer a comma b. You need to ask the console, that is to enter any two numbers by using printf. You have to read it by using scanf, %d, %d, ampersand a, and ampersand b. I am going to print these elements in the terms of menu driven. So I want to print like this. Arithmetic operations like this. In this, 1, addition, number 2, subtraction, number 3, multiplication, number 4, division, number 5, modulo division. Later, you need to enter your choice. Enter your choice. If you give 1, after reading A and B, menu will be displayed. If you give 1, sum of two numbers will be printed. Number 6, it may be exit coming out. Okay. Now, first we are going to print the screen. Printf, I told you \n like this. Printf \n, you may write arithmetic operators or operations. You may use \t also. So that new line with a tab. \n, again this. Printf \n \t number 1 addition. I will do one thing. I'm going to type this in the compiler. Once the menu is displayed, then we go for coding. See, here I'm writing the program. I require two variables. What are they? A and B. You need to ask printf enter any two numbers. You have to read it by using a statement called input statement scanf ampersand a ampersand b. So here I'm printing the outcome in the terms of backslash n, something like this, or you may use underscore as well. Your design, your wish. Design is your wish. Once it is over, again printf backslash n backslash t arithmetic operators or operations or my operations, your wish. Printf backslash n backslash t 1 dot addition, and you can do in the same way. So first line, then printf backslash n backslash t, t for tab, subtraction, printf backslash n backslash t, multiplication, printf backslash n backslash t, number 4, division. If you want to find the division, then you may type number 4 for finding the division. Printf backslash n backslash t, number 5, modulo division. And then printf backslash n, same line will be printed. And here I'm asking backslash n, enter your choice. If we give, that should be read by using a scanf statement. If you want to find addition, you need to type 1. So ch is integer variable, so variable must be declared ch. Up to now we are executing. Enter any two numbers 10 and 5, right? It displays the screen like this: arithmetic operations, 1 addition, 2 subtraction, 3 multiplication, 4 division, 5 modulus. If you give 1, our intention is to find the sum value. What is that? Our intention is to find the sum value. Then how? Okay, is it okay? Right. In this case, we have to use a statement called switch of, what is the condition or expression? ch. If it is 1, what is 1? Case space 1. Everything is lowercase letters, no uppercase letters are allowed. Case 1. Case is a keyword, space 1 colon. Printf sum value is equal to percentage d. I am directly performing a plus b. Case 2, in the same way, printf subtraction or difference is equal to percentage d. What is that? A minus b. Case 3, product value or multiplication value is equal to backslash n, you may use a into b, like that. In the terms of default, you may use exit, or it may be case 6, exit. Let us execute. Right? Now, here I need to perform switch condition. SWI TCH switch off What is the variable or expression? CH. That should be opened and closed. What is here? See, whatever the content here need to be represented in the terms of cases. Printf \n sum is equal to what? Percentage D, A plus B. Case 2, printf \n subtraction value is equal to percentage D. What is that? A minus B. Case 3, printf \n product value or multiplication value is equal to percentage D, A into B. Case 4, printf \n division is equal to percentage D, A by B. Case 5, printf \n modulo division is equal to, or modulus value is equal to percentage D, A percentage B. See, if nothing happens, oh, you may use default. You may write default exit. Exit is nothing but coming out. If you type anything other than this, you may use exit command. See, enter any two numbers. Here, there exists a mistake. I will tell you. Enter your option or a choice. If I give 4, here the choice value is equal to 4. Division is equal to 2. Yes, 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Modulo division. See, what you asked? You asked only division. For example, if you give 10 and 5, if you give option 1, everything will be executed. This is not a switch case statement. See, switch case statement is a statement that can be used to choose a particular option from the list of options. That's why we can say that it is a multi-way branching statement. So the missing element is, for every case, you need to add break. Once it is executed, it may be coming out of that condition. For every component, you need to add break statement. Then only that particular condition will be executed, but not remaining. Okay, and I'm adding one more option, that is in the terms of sixth option called exit. This is completely a menu driven application. Menu driven. This is a menu 6 that is called exit. That is exit. Okay, now execute the program. Enter any two numbers, 10 and 5. Now tell me your choice. My choice is 1. What is 1? Addition. 10 plus 5, 15. Some value is equal to 15. That's it. If you execute the program, enter any two numbers, 20 and 40. Enter your choice. That is, my choice is 3. That is equal to 20 into 40. That is, multiplication product value is equal to 800. Got it? So in the case of multi-way branching statement, multiple number of conditions may be executed under one element, that is called switch case statement. You may create other programs like this. I told you what is the first option here. Next program element may be menu, my menu, number 1, positive number, number 2, negative number, number 3, 0, number 4, exit, enter your choice. You have to read one number n. If you press 1, it checks whether the given number is positive or negative. Positive. If it is positive, it displays positive, otherwise it is not a positive number. Or you may write like this, enter any number n. This is my menu. Number 1 is to find factorial. So case 1, what to do? Same, you have to read the number called n. You have to declare the variables like this. Same logic. While I is less than or equal to n. The same thing. F is equal to f into I value will be incremented. Here, we are going to print the value, printf, factorial of a given number is percentage %d. What is that? F. After this, you have to perform break. Number 2, factors of a given number. Same, in the same way, case 2. In the same way, case 2, you can perform. Number 3, if you type number 3, factors sum. Number 4, sum of digits. Number 5, reverse of a number. So you can execute all the programs of your choice in the terms of menu driven. Menu driven means it is everything, logic is same. Only the change is in the terms of case, we are going to write everything in the terms of case. That is only the difference in between what? Menu driven program and normal program. Now, move on to the next element. Move on to the next element. That is, I told you we have various looping statements and branching. Once again, I am reminding you, if statement, switch case statement, or commander branching statements. These are branching statements. One is simple branching. Second one is multiple branching. Second category is looping statements. We have while and do while, and then for statement. Let us go through do while statement. See, in the case of while statement, while first one is condition. If we have more than one statement to execute, that must be enclosed in between. In the case of while statement or while loop statement, first condition is tested. If the condition is true, set of statements are executed. What is that? Set of statements are executed. Here, first condition is tested. If the condition is true, the set of statements are executed repeatedly until condition fails. We've seen everything. But another component is do while. In this case, do set of statements, and then at the end, it checks the condition while of condition or expression if it must be ended with a semicolon. Remember, in the case of do while statement, the while condition need to be ended with a semicolon. This is the syntax. Syntax is nothing but a format, general format. Sir, what is the difference between while and do while statement? See, in the case of while statement, first condition is tested, then statements are executed. Whereas do while is considered, first statements are executed, then condition is tested. Got it? First, condition is tested. First, in the case of while, condition is tested, then statement executed. Whereas do while, first statements are executed, and at last condition is tested. If it is true, again the same set of components will be repeated. See, what is the difference in between? See, if you want to execute your looping statements, your statement at least once, the ultimate option is do while condition, do while statement. Let us go through the same programs by using do while. Very simple. All programs are very simple, or whatever the programs you completed up to now, you have to execute all those programs by using do while statement. So I'm taking integer I is equal to 1 and n, printf \n, enter n value, or enter any number, your wish. So here you need to read it by using input statement scanf %d %n. Okay, right. While I is less than or equal to n, I am printing multiplication table. Printf \n %d cross mark, or you may use asterisk %d is equal to %d double quotes end comma. What is %d? N comma I comma n into I. I value need to be incremented. Otherwise, what happens? It may be entered into infinite loop. See this. This is the normal. I is not n. I is less than or equal to 10. I told you. I is less than n is equal to 4. What you get? If 4 into 1 up to 4 into 10. So n is a given number. The same thing will be converted. What? Here do. What is do? I told you do while statement. While of I less than or equal to 10. I told you everything should be ended with a semicolon. 4. You will get the same result. Got the difference? In the case of do while, first statements are executed. And then condition is tested. So if you want to execute your statement at least once, then our ultimate option is do while statement. Got the difference? Very, very important. There exists the difference between while and do while. What is that? In the case of while, first condition is tested and then statements are executed. In the same way, reverse. What? First statements are executed and then condition is tested. This is. So you have to execute all the programs up to now into do while statement. One more component. Next one is very powerful loop in the entire C language, what you call for. Very, very important. It consists of the following parts called initialization, semicolon, expression or a condition. You may use increment or decrement per. Per may not be ended with a semicolon. If we have only one statement to execute, there is no need to open and close. If we have more than one statement to execute in either if, while, do while, anywhere or for, that must be enclosed in between open and close. So I want to print 1 to 10 natural numbers using first statement. I told you there is no need to write I is equal to 1 at the initial variable declaration. You may simply declare I, that's it. I is equal to 1, okay? It is a initialization. It will be executed only once. And then I am testing the condition. I is less than or equal to 10, isn't it? In the previous programs, we tested this condition in the terms of while I is less than or equal to 10. I value need to be incremented by 1. Yes, I plus plus. Simply, I am printing printf \t percentage d. What is to be printed? I value will be printed. Let us see the execution part. What is I? 1. It is executed only once. Then I is less than or equal to 10. What is I? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. Then printf. This is the statement third. What is I? 1 will be printed. Now move on to increment. What is that? Fourth step. What is I initially? 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Now this will be calculated. Condition will be tested. What is I? 2. 2 less than or equal to 10. Yes, the same set of statements are continuously executed until the condition fails. Once again, I is equal to 1. This is initialization. For loop contains 3 parts. I is equal to 1. Okay. I is, what is I? 1. 1 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. Then this statement will be executed. Now, I value will be incremented by 1. What is that? 1 plus 1, 2. Now, 2 is less than or equal to 10. Yes. Printf. 2 will be printed. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. Yes. Printf. I. 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 less than or equal to 10. Yes. Print 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 less than or equal to 10. Yes. Print 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 less than or equal to 10. Yes. Print 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. No, you can come out. You can come out. That is, see, very simple condition. For loop is a powerful loop in the case of entire C language, and the same element will be used in the case of Java also. So all programs need to be converted into for loop and do while loop. Say this. Here for I is equal to 1, I told you initialization. I is less than or equal to 10. I value need to be incremented. Here what I'm printing? Printf \t percentage d. What to be printed? I. That's it. Over. Execute. Automatically, if you want to write any kind of print statement here, output 1 to 10 natural numbers, or there is no need to read, whenever the exact size mentioned, there is no need to use the scanner statement. 1 to 10 natural numbers, or 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, something up to 10. See, for loop, in the same way, you can perform everything. If you want to find 1 to n natural numbers, for example, n, you need to ask the user, tell me your range, \n, enter your range. That means your n value. Enter the n value. You need to read it, scanf, percentage d, ampersand n. printf 1 to percentage d natural numbers are, what is percentage d? N. Instead of 10, what I am writing here? N. That's it. Everything will be over. 1 to 100, I want 100 natural numbers. 1 to 100 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 up to, that is 100. This is the program for finding 1 to 10 natural numbers. Once again, there are three looping statements, while, do while, and for. Two branching statements, if, and then switch case statement. If condition is completely simple or a single branching statement, whereas switch case statement is a multi-way branching statement. In the same way, you can execute. Okay. So